Steve from Easy Skip High Rubbish Removal again. Just here to talk about carpet. Now, people think carpet is just, grab a skip in, throw the carpet away. And they're shocked to find out that the majority of skipping companies simply do not allow carpet in their bins and will charge you massive penalties. The market leader in terms of, the largest player in the market charges $200 per roll and then up to $90 per roll after that. So it can get crazily expensive. Now, first things first, we accept carpet, there's no extra charge. So we're going to get that done for you easy as, that's what we promise. But a big tip for you, if you get a 3x3, a 4x4 or a larger room, whatever the room is, the most common mistake people make is they roll it up, they don't roll it up effectively, they have these huge sausages that are just massive and hard to move, but when you put them in the bin, they're also hard to stack. So they create lots of overlaps and unusual shapes in the bin, and you're paying for air in the bin as well as carpet in the end. Pro tip, grab a Stanley knife, run it through the middle of the carpet or through it 2 or 3 times and roll it up in tighter bunches so your roll is 1 meter, maybe 1.5 meters. It's going to save you a lot of money, a lot of time, and it's going to make life easier for you as well. And certainly efficiency wise, when we pack it, it's going to pack so much more efficiently, which in the end saves you money. Easy as. Thanks for watching.